In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks accounting software for e-commerce. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right version, connect your sales channels, organize your books, link your bank, reconcile with confidence, and find help when you need it. First, choose the right QuickBooks type for your e-commerce needs. Most online sellers prefer QuickBooks Online because it's cloud-based, integrates with common platforms, and supports real-time collaboration with your team or accountant. Consider whether you need inventory tracking, multi-currency, or advanced reporting. These features vary by plan. Picking the right tier now prevents costly switching later and ensures your workflows and add-ons fit your business as it grows. Next, use integrations to bring sales, fees, and payouts into QuickBooks automatically. Connecting your storefronts and payment processors reduces manual data entry and errors. When you set up an integration, review how orders, refunds, sales tax, and fees will be categorized. Map products to the correct income accounts and verify that sales tax is posting to a sales tax liability account. After the first sync, scan a few transactions to confirm they look right. A short check now can save hours of cleanup later. Now, set up your chart of accounts. This is the backbone of clean reporting. Create clear categories for sales income, shipping income, discounts and returns, merchant processing fees, shipping expenses, software subscriptions, and advertising. For inventory-based sellers, use inventory asset on the balance sheet and cost of goods sold for the expense side. Keeping names simple and consistent makes reports intuitive and speeds up month-end. If you're unsure how to classify something, pause and confirm. Changing history later is much harder. After that, link your bank and credit card accounts through the bank transactions area and choose link account. This securely pulls in your activity so you can review and categorize it. Set the starting date to avoid duplicate entries with your integrations. As transactions appear, match them to existing records from your sales apps whenever possible, and only add new ones when there's no match. Once your transactions are flowing, reconcile your accounts regularly to match QuickBooks to your actual bank statements. Enter the statement's ending balance and date, then check off transactions that appear on the statement. If the difference isn't zero, look for duplicates, missing entries, or incorrect dates. Reconciling monthly keeps your books accurate and makes tax time straightforward. If anything isn't clear, click the Help icon in QuickBooks. You can search official guides, open step-by-step articles, and contact support. Use this resource as you go to confirm settings and stay confident in your setup.